Okay, in the previous video, I have showed you how to forecast the average price of your commodity. So we can check this number one off our list. So we're done with number one. Let's go to number two. So number two is to forecast the average price of your major commodity with an increase in the supply by 10%. So now everything else would be kept at the average level, but your supply of your commodity would go up by 10%. So let's see, what do we do to forecast to calculate this estimation? So number two, we're going to forecast price forecast for the average price of your major commodity with 10% increase in supply. Okay, so to do this forecast, we're going to click equal. We're going to include our alpha, which is our intercept. We are going to click plus. We're going to include our coefficient for the real per capita income times the average of real per capita income. Remember, now we're based on our estimation on the average values of each of the variable. Click plus. We're going to go to the coefficient of the per capita consumption of chicken variable times our average per capita consumption of chicken times 1 plus, because we have a 10% increase, 1 plus 10%. Don't forget to put the 1 plus 10% in your parentheses. Put this two item in your parentheses. So now you look at this equation again. We have include the first item is our intercept, plus the second item is the estimated coefficient for the real per capita income times the real per capita income on average, plus the per capita consumption of chicken coefficient times average per capita consumption of chicken times 110%. So that's our equation. We click enter. So we found out when the major commodities supply goes up by 10%, the estimated price would drop from 1.36 to 1.16. So that's the price forecast for the average price of our major commodity with a 10% increase in the supply of the product. Thank you.